Welcome to Tokyo! Hi everybody, this is Kumiko-Teressa, Tokyo Ramen Girl. On this episode, we'll be introducing Taiwan and Thai ramen noodles. These ramen noodles are super good, so you have to go check it out. First place we're going to introduce is a Thai ramen noodle place in Korean town, Tokyo. Korean town is in Okubo, Tokyo, and they're not only famous for Korean food, but they have popular ethnic food also. Thai ramen at this place uses rice powder to make noodles. They use ton of cilantro and celery as toppings. They put pork chashu and chicken meatballs used in famous Thai tom yum goong soup. Mix the whole thing first. The smell of garlic is so yummy. The noodles are so chewy and bean sprouts are crispy fresh. Tons of cilantro and celery go really well together. When you finish it up with fish sauce, it will make you feel like you are on vacation in Thailand. This place is right next to Shinjuku. Get off at JR Shinjuku Station and walk for about a minute. The next ramen noodle place we're going to introduce is in Okubo also. It's a Taiwanese ramen called Maze-soba. This ramen is served at a ramen place which made Maze-soba a popular food in Nagoya. The key point to having Maze-soba is to mix it all at first. When thick noodles, sauce, and eggs are blended together, the gooiness would resemble carbonara. When meat, leek, and spring onions are mixed into that, the balance in taste is so perfect. Chewy noodles and the taste of spice is amazing, and you won't be able to stop. You can put a chunk of meat to satisfy your appetite too. Get off at JR Shin-Okubo Station, right next to Shinjuku Station, and walk for about 12 minutes. Okubo is famous for the largest Korean town in Japan. Please try and enjoy Korean food here also. Here, you can get an authentic Korean food. There's a shrine called Kaichu Inari Jinja, which has a fox that is considered to be God. You should definitely make a stop at this place because it's known to be a power stop. The guy who has done the reports on these two places is Dorons Ishimoto. He's a Japanese comedian who's known to be a ramen foodie in Japanese entertainment world. So, what did you think? Today we have shown you international ramen noodles that you can have in Tokyo. When you come to Tokyo, make sure you stop by. We'll see you soon. Bye!